In today's video, I'm going to teach you Platform Developer Certification Maintenance Winter 26. This quick walkthrough will help you complete the required Trailhead module so your Salesforce Platform Developer certification stays active and up to date. Start by heading to trailhead.salesforce.com and signing into your Trailhead account using your usual Salesforce credentials. Make sure you're logging into the same Trailhead profile that's linked to your certification, so the completion records sync correctly. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Platform Developer Certification Maintenance Winter 26. You're looking for the official maintenance module for the Winter 26 release. If you see multiple results, select the one labeled as a module and confirm the title includes Winter 26 to ensure you're taking the current requirement for this cycle. This maintenance applies to both Platform Developer Y and Platform Developer 2 credential holders. Click into the module to open its overview page, then click Start to begin. If you have already opened it before, you may see a Continue button. Either way, proceed to the learning content. The module is short but important, and it focuses on what's new for developers this release. As you read, pay attention to highlights around Apex improvements such as performance and testing updates, Lightning Web Components enhancements, API and integration changes, security and compliance considerations, and the latest on flow and automation. These topics are frequently reflected in the quiz, so take your time. I recommend skimming the objectives at the top to know what you'll be assessed on, then moving through the content steadily. Keep an eye out for callouts, tables, or examples that clarify behavior changes or best practices. Having a Notes app or a Scratch document open can help you capture key terms and version-specific details you might want to reference a minute later. When you've finished reviewing the material, scroll to the quiz section and open it. The quiz is open book, so feel free to keep the Content tab open and verify details as you answer. Read each question carefully, look for keywords that match the phrasing in the module, and double-check any items related to limits, permissions, or default behaviors that may have changed this release. If you miss a question, revisit the relevant section and try again. Once you pass the quiz, the module will show as complete, and your maintenance requirement for Winter 26 will be satisfied. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.